Hey y'all. A couple weeks ago when we talked about the heart chakra, we tapped into the energy of Oshun, her sweetness, her flow, and her connection to love. But Oshun is so much more than what she gives to others. So today we're going to go deeper into what she stands for: self-worth, magnetism, confidence, and the power of being soft without shrinking. Let's talk about how Oshun teaches us to receive love the same way we give it. Okay, so let's get into it. Because if your attraction energy has been turning up lately, she might be stepping through. Oshun is the Orisha of love, beauty, sensuality, sweet waters, fertility, and creative flow. But to understand Oshun is to know that it's so much bigger than just looking good. She's about knowing you're good from the inside out. When Oshun walks with you, your glow changes, your creativity starts flowing again. Romance becomes aligned, not draining. Your boundaries become softer but stronger. Your presence feels like honey, sweet but powerful, because sweetness is a spiritual strategy. Let's talk symbols real quick. Her rivers represent creative flow, emotional healing, pleasure, and renewal. Her honey represents attraction, sweetness, and self-love. Her mirror is self-recognition, identity, and reflection. The sun in her colors gold and yellow, that represents prosperity, radiance, joy, and confidence. Her peacock feathers tells us that her beauty is majestic and attention-grabbing. And fans represent the movement of her energy with dignity and grace. Oshun teaches us that your value doesn't decrease because someone couldn't afford your love. So if you ever given too much to people who gave the bare minimum, silenced your needs to keep the peace, settled for crumbs and called it a feast, struggled with receiving compliments or help, Oshun is calling you back to yourself, because you can't pour from a cup you were never meant to empty. She restores desire, play, pleasure, confidence, and your ability to receive without guilt. Receiving is a spiritual act. Say that again. Receiving is a spiritual act. With much respect to a closed tradition, you can honor Oshun by simply just honoring yourself. But if you are tapped in, you can leave her offerings like fresh water in a clear glass. Be sure to change it daily. Honey, cinnamon, oranges, and sunflowers. She likes gold jewelry, music, dance, and laughter, and loving on your body. She lives where the water flows gently. So go sit by the river with your hand on your heart and just receive her energy. Now, before we close out, repeat this affirmation after me. I am worthy of sweetness. My heart is deserving of joy. What I give, I also deserve to receive. I attract love that honors me. Ashe. Now breathe in through your nose, slow like honey, and exhale like you're letting every burden melt off your shoulders. That's Oshun's energy. So if Oshun is in your energy right now, baby, your glow up is not cosmetic, it's spiritual. If this resonated with you in any way, please don't be a stranger to the like button, and also tap follow so you can stay in the loop with other Orisha teachings and other content that I have. As always, thank you for listening, and until next time, stay divinely guided.